In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily and efficiently copy data from an HTML table into Google Sheets. This process will save you time and effort, especially if you're working with extensive tables on websites like Wikipedia. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to organize information more effectively, understanding how to transfer data seamlessly can be a real game changer. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Imagine you're scrolling through a Wikipedia page and you come across a table filled with interesting data that you want to work on in Google Sheets. The trick is much simpler than you might expect. What you need to do first is select all the text within that table. This works effectively on most websites where the table is formatted in HTML, which is common on platforms like Wikipedia. Simply click and drag your mouse over the entire table to highlight it. Once you've selected the data you're interested in, the next step is to right-click while your cursor is over the highlighted area and select the copy option from the menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy the selection. Now, let's transition over to Google Sheets, where you want this data to live. Open your Google Sheets document, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. A crucial point to consider here is where exactly you want this table to be placed within your spreadsheet. Navigate to the sheet you're working on and click on the upper leftmost cell where you want to paste this data. It's important to choose this starting point wisely, as it will serve as the anchor for the rest of your data. If your table is large, you'll want to ensure it doesn't overlap with existing data you wish to keep unchanged. After selecting the appropriate cell, simply right-click on it and choose the Paste option from the context menu. You can also paste the data by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. And just like that, your table should appear perfectly formatted into your Google Sheet. You've now effortlessly transferred data from an HTML table into Google Sheets, ready for you to analyze, manipulate, and share as needed. This method is straightforward, yet a powerful tool in your digital toolkit for better productivity and data management. Keeping things neat and organized in Google Sheets opens up opportunities for analysis and decision-making that can be crucial in both academic and professional environments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital skills.